Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to make sentences. So let's start. First, brother. My brother's name is Anil. Second, chair. This is a chair. Third, ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. Fourth, house. This is my house. Fifth, games. I play games with my friends. Sixth, Atul. Atul is my friend. Seven, park. I go to park with my parents. Eighth, lotus. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Nine, doctor. Doctor treat sick people. 10th, pen. I write with a pen.